Hi friends, today we are going to practice a new mindfulness technique called anchor breathing. So sometimes when we get mad or anxious or nervous, our heart starts to beat pretty fast. And we can acknowledge this and slow our heartbeat down to calm our smart minds. To start anchor breathing, we are going to put one finger right below our nose. And we can feel our breath come out of our nose, and we're going to try this with 3 deep breaths. So take a deep breath in and exhale. Breathe in, let it go, fill up, exhale. Beautiful. The next spot on our body that we will find our anchor breathing is our heart. So put 2 hands on your heart, feel your heartbeat. Take a deep breath in, let it go. Breathe in, exhale, fill up, let it go. Beautiful. The last anchor that we'll find today on our body is right here on our belly. So put both hands on your belly and let's try this spot. Take 3 deep breaths. Fill up, let it go. Breathe in, breathe out. Fill up, let it go. Beautiful. The next step to our anchor breathing is adding a mantra to our breath. So a mantra is an I am statement. Today we're going to use the mantra, I am calm. So with our breath, we're going to inhale, I am, and we're going to exhale and say calm. Breathe in, I am. Exhale, calm. We'll try that 3 times. Breathe in, I am. Exhale, calm. Breathe in, I am. Exhale, calm. Breathe in, I am. Exhale, calm. Beautiful.